Hello kids, I Wrinkle Bagadia, your computer teacher, welcome you all in our today's computer class. Children, as you know, we have completed our chapter 4 Introduction to MS Word 2010 in our last class, and I also sent you notebook exercise of this chapter. Hope you have completed exercise in your notebook. Children, now today we are going to do activity section of this chapter, which is given on page number 40 in your computer textbook. It is our practical activity of chapter 4. So, let's start. Children, on page number 40 in your textbook, activity section of chapter 4 is given. Here, let's read the heading. Type the following paragraph in MS Word 2010. The paragraph given in yellow box you have to type in Word 2010, and below the box steps are given. As per these steps, we are going to do practical work today. So, let's start. So children, this is our MS Word 2010 screen. Here you can see on the screen paragraph is already typed. I have already typed a paragraph earlier because we can understand easily in short time. Our video will not be make so longer. Okay, that's why I have already typed the paragraph. Now these fonts are too small, so select whole paragraph and click on font size button. You can see on the screen here is font size button, and from this select number 20. So 20 size font you can easily see on the screen. Okay, select 20. So this is 20 size fonts. Now let's read from the textbook. First step, open Word and type paragraph. We have already typed it. Second step, take pointer to the word divided. Now click before divided word in first line, click before D, and using delete key from the keyboard, delete the whole word, and we supposed to replace this word with separated word. So after deleting, type SEPARATED, separated. So here we replace divided word with separated word. Now third step. Similarly, delete the word join in the second line and write combine in its place. So, place your cursor before J at the last of these lines, J. And using delete key from the keyboard, delete this word also and replace it with combine, COMBINE, combine. Now here we replace two words, separated and combine. Now our next step is to save this file. For saving, you can use this button that is given on top of the screen. This is save button, and its shortcut key is Ctrl+S. Using Ctrl+S key from the keyboard, we can also save our file of Word. One another method is there. We can also click on this file menu. Yes, this file menu is here. On this, clicking on this file menu, it will show so many options. In this, you have to click on save, and after clicking on save option, you will get one window and you can save your file. Okay, so let's save our file. After clicking on save button, you will get window that you can see on the screen. Here you have to first select the location from the left side where you want to save your file. Here I select desktop. So here it is shown desktop. My file will be saved on desktop. After doing this, type your file name in the file name box. This is file name box. Here we have to type photosynthesis, which is the title of our paragraph. PHOTOSYNTHES. Photosynthesis file name. Now after typing this, you have to click on this save button to save your file on the desktop. After clicking on save button, your file will be saved on your desktop because we have selected location desktop. Okay. Now children, our last step is close MS Word by using Alt plus F4 key combination. Here it is given Alt plus F4 key combination in your textbook. But we can use another method to close Word also. As you know, we can use close button that is given on right top corner of the Word window. Here it is. See, this is our close button. Using this close button cross sign, you can close your MS Word 2010. And that is given in your textbook. Last step, using Alt plus F4 key combination from the keyboard, we can close any software or program in our computer. So after I am pressing Alt plus F4 and my Word will close. So children, this is our lab activity or activity section of chapter 4. If you have a computer or laptop at your home, please try or practice this activity at your home. And if you don't have computer or laptop, then don't worry. We will practice this exercise in our computer lab when school will starts. Okay. Till then, learn well, stay safe. Goodbye. Thank you.